Alright, it's feed Chibi time. Chibi eats crickets. It's hard to get crickets. Crickets don't like to be gotten. Got a cricket. Got a Chibi. It's quick. One more. Just one more. Poor little crickets. I feel bad for them. Here, Chibi. Ah! Not the tweezers. Let go. Let go, Chibi. Let go. Chibi, let go. Let go of the tree. Okay, let's just get. Okay. It's Chibi. Chibi's in the water. That's how I feed Chibi.